Like, subscribe, and get notified.
पाचसो पॉइंट आहात. One is composition of the board. आम्ही पयलो बोर्ड आमच्या tourism policy म्हणाली 2020, in which there was a particular methodology of composition. It had 8 members from the industry, including one PTAG, one GCCI, one all shack owners and all that this thing, one many other small groups were all included in that. Now in the new act they have deleted all that. And that was done, I don't know with whose consultation. I don't think the CM knows. I don't think even the tourism minister knows. So that is one point. Second thing is there are huge fees. Sustainability fees, 2% percentage. So fees normally fee is a fee, fixed fee. It can never be percentage. So therefore we have raised an objection, and that fee will be charged for any transaction or any, even a local body, even a restaurant locally is selling something, you cannot distinguish whether it is for tourism or business or for personal use. So therefore that has to be dealt with. Second thing is registration of hotels and tourism ventures. We have existing registrations which are valid for 5 years even. Now those 5 years are not looked at. You re-register immediately within 180 days or you will be deregistered.
We have requested Chief Minister not to take this forward in the coming assembly. Before taking it forward in the future, to take the consultation of all stakeholders. That is most important, and then take it forward.
So as of now, you have been not taken in consideration.
We have been taken into consideration, but it is not done satisfactorily.
When the draft was made, it was never circulated to anyone.
Final draft आमका धाडूंक ना.
Same thing, आता मुलेला तशें. So idea, our objection is to the overall that there are a lot of around 10 to 12 issues which we have requested point-wise. We had a discussion with it that regarding the penalties which are the definition of tourist is also a vague definition. So even any person coming on business is defined as a tourist. Then of course penalties, there are 10 lakh penalties for offences, which is also defined quite high. Then there is a definition of the tourism board itself. There are powers which are to be defined. Then of course it's there everywhere regarding the sustainable fee which they are charging, which is not viable with the GST and the panchayats, fire, pollution, everybody charging fees at each level. So because practically it will be, Goa already we say it's highly priced for various reasons. So adding that further, sustainability itself will be issue with all the industry. So I'm sure Goa government will look into positively and take a more consultation view.
So we've given a representation from the NRAI on behalf of the restaurants, covering some of the points that were discussed by the TTAG as well, with regards to the group meetings which have to be curbed, the 2% tax which has to be put. So we've given our representation. CM has given a positive response and said he'll look into the matter and take it further. So let's see what comes out of it.
Watch on Herald TV.